Alright, this is Brian Marvick with BP Kitchen Equipment. We have here a 2020 Bizerba GSP HD slicer. This used to actually be an HDW, but we converted it to regular HD. You can tell by this little space right here. It used to have a weighing platter on top and have a touchscreen here, but the touchscreen was shattered and it cost just a crazy amount of money to replace, so we converted it to a regular HD slicer. In this video, I'm going to be going over the cosmetic condition of the slicer. So I'm going to start from the left-hand side of the slicer and work my way around to the back, just to showcase any scratches or dings this has. Let me know if you have any questions. More than happy to answer any questions for you. All right, so starting on the left-hand side of the slicer, it's got some normal wear and tear, typically here on the edges of the corners. As you can see right there, it's pretty normal as to what we see. Has this little space right here, which is just something to be aware of. That space comes standard on the HDW model, so that the arm comes through. But it's just worthwhile noting so that you don't take a hose and spray directly in there, which will cause harm to the slicer. As you can see here, it's got a mild amount of scratches here on the depositing surface, a little bit back here. It's pretty normal as to what we see, nothing out of the ordinary. The gauge plate is in good shape, a little bit of dings and scratches right here. Other than that, nothing else in the slicer. I should note that so this assembly, the pad, the plastic, and then the motherboard behind this housing are all brand new. So they have not been used, and they're new parts. Going back to the gauge plate is in pretty good shape. Light scratches, light dings. Again, nothing out of the ordinary. Looks pretty good overall. This side of the slicer is in excellent shape. Normally we see a little bit of scratches here on this side, but there's really not a lot to be seen. Gauge plate is also in good shape. About average what we see for used condition. We're going to be, this condition of the slicer is going to be good condition, which is again just about normal. So nothing out of the ordinary. This blade actually happens to have quite a bit of life left. That's worthwhile noting. Then moving around to the back, again, pretty normal. Nothing too crazy. You can see some light scratches along here. Yeah, that's about it on the body. As we look at the carriage, once again, about normal. You see this mark all the way down on almost all slicers unless they're relatively new. That's due to a plastic piece, this little cap right there that just rests on it and will eventually cause wear marks. Nothing to be concerned about. If you have any questions about the refurbishment of our slicer, please feel free to contact me and let me know. All of our slicers go through probably an 80-point processing checklist before they're designated as cleared on our end. But yeah, let me know if you have any questions. More than happy to answer any for you, and hope you have a good day.